Are you stuck between dreaming it big and playing it safe? Well, I want to tell you here, fixed deposit is just a comfort zone. It is not so fruitful. But what is the secret source and secret weapon through which you are going to achieve your financial freedom is nothing but a stock market. That is where magic lies. So choice is yours. What you want to select? Hi, this is Tapan Doshi, a chartered accountant and a sebi registered research analyst. Based on my 15 plus years of experience in stock market, I'm going to unveil thoughtful investor framework in our next workshop whose fees normally is rupees 1500, but this time I'm going to give you at rupees 47 only. So do attend this session without fail, because this session will tell you a step by step process how you can achieve your goals and how you can be a successful investor in this stock market. So what are the things you are going to learn in this? In this, you are going to learn three secrets. The first secret is how to structure your portfolio. Yes, you heard it right, because portfolio normally most of the retail investors neglect, but this is the vehicle through which you are going to achieve your goals. The second secret is how to select a multi-bagger stock. Step by step process how to select a stock. Again, I am going to talk about entry, addition and exit from the stock, because this is one of the most burning question of most of the investors. So I'm going to address that also. In the third secret, I'm going to talk about how to control your mindset. Emotion plays a big role in this market, so how to control it so that even in up and down you are able to perform well. These three secrets has helped thousands of our members to get great portfolio, and they are able to achieve your goals over the time. So what you are waiting for? Just click the below link, attend that session without fail. And guys, this ad you may not see it again, so without fail click the link and do attend the session, and I'm going to see you there.